Welcome to Everyday English Excellence.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you have breakfast every morning?
Yes, I always have breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat toast and eggs.
What do you do after breakfast?
I go for a walk.
How long is your walk?
I walk for 30 minutes.
Do you enjoy walking?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work from home.
What kind of work do you do?
I am a graphic designer.
How many hours do you work?
I work about 6 hours a day.
Do you watch TV in the morning?
No, I don't watch TV in the morning.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the evening.
What shows do you like?
I like watching documentaries.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
I like making pasta.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I cook every day.
Do you clean the house?
Yes, I clean the house once a week.
What do you clean first?
I clean the kitchen first.
Do you clean by yourself?
Sometimes my family helps.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich and fruit.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, we all eat together.
What do you do after lunch?
I usually take a short nap.
How long do you nap for?
I nap for about 20 minutes.
Does napping help you?
Yes, it makes me feel refreshed.
Do you exercise at home?
Yes, I exercise in the evening.
What kind of exercises do you do?
I do yoga and some stretches.
Do you exercise every day?
I try to exercise 3 times a week.
Do you read books at home?
Yes, I love reading books.
What book are you reading now?
I'm reading a mystery novel.
When do you usually read?
I read before going to bed.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well most nights.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep for 8 hours.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it with milk and sugar.
How many cups of coffee do you drink?
I usually drink 2 cups a day.
Do you like to relax at home?
Yes, I enjoy relaxing at home.
What do you do to relax?
I listen to music or watch movies.
Do you take breaks during the day?
Yes, I take short breaks while working.
Do you have pets at home?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Do you take care of your dog?
Yes, I walk him and feed him every day.
Do you do any gardening at home?
Yes, I have a small garden.
What do you grow in your garden?
I grow vegetables and flowers.
How often do you water your plants?
I water them every morning.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't work on weekends.
What do you do on weekends?
I spend time with my family and friends.
Do you like to go out?
Yes, I like going to the park or the beach.
Do you watch movies at home?
Yes, I watch movies every weekend.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies.
Do you watch movies alone?
Sometimes I watch with my family.
Do you cook dinner every night?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
What do you usually make for dinner?
I usually make chicken or pasta.
Do you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, we always eat dinner together.
Do you clean up after dinner?
Yes, I clean the kitchen after dinner.
Do you wash the dishes?
Yes, I wash the dishes every night.
Does anyone help you?
Sometimes my kids help with the dishes.
Do you call your friends often?
Yes, I talk to my friends every week.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
I prefer texting, but sometimes I call.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media to stay in touch.
Do you like to read the news?
Yes, I read the news every morning.
Do you prefer reading or watching the news?
I prefer reading the news.
Do you read the newspaper?
Sometimes, but mostly I read online news.
Do you listen to music at home?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and classical music.
Do you sing along?
Yes, I love singing along to my favorite songs.
Do you drink tea in the evening?
Yes, I drink tea before bed.
What kind of tea do you drink?
I like herbal tea.
Does tea help you relax?
Yes, it helps me sleep better.
Do you do any hobbies at home?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What do you like to paint?
I like painting landscapes.
How often do you paint?
I try to paint at least once a week.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
How long have you been playing?
I've been playing for 5 years.
Do you practice every day?
I practice a few times a week.
Do you bake at home?
Yes, I love baking.
What do you bake?
I bake cookies and cakes.
How often do you bake?
I bake on weekends or special occasions.
Do you have a home office?
Yes, I have a small office at home.
What do you use it for?
I use it for work and studying.
Do you spend a lot of time in your office?
Yes, I work there every day.
Do you take care of your home?
Yes, I try to keep my home clean and organized.
What is the hardest part?
Cleaning the bathroom is the hardest part.
Do you enjoy cleaning?
Not really, but I like having a clean house.
Do you spend time with your family at home?
Yes, we spend a lot of time together.
What do you do with your family?
We watch TV, play games, and cook together.
Do you enjoy spending time with them?
Yes, it's my favorite part of the day.
Do you drink water throughout the day?
Yes, I drink a lot of water.
How much water do you drink?
I drink about 8 glasses a day.
Do you prefer cold or room temperature water?
I prefer cold water.
Do you take showers in the morning or at night?
I take showers at night.
Do you like long or short showers?
I like short showers.
Do you use hot or cold water?
I prefer hot water for my showers.
Do you spend time in the garden?
Yes, I enjoy spending time in the garden.
What do you do there?
I water the plants and enjoy the fresh air.
Do you grow any flowers?
Yes, I grow roses and tulips.
Do you organize your home regularly?
Yes, I try to organize it once a month.
What do you organize first?
I start with the closets.
Does organizing help you feel better?
Yes, it makes me feel more relaxed.
Do you like to have visitors at home?
Yes, I love having visitors.
Who visits you?
My friends and family visit me often.
What do you do when they visit?
We talk, eat, and watch movies together.
Do you have a home gym?
No, but I have some exercise equipment.
What equipment do you have?
I have a yoga mat and dumbbells.
How often do you exercise at home?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you celebrate holidays at home?
Yes, we celebrate most holidays at home.
Which holiday is your favorite?
I love celebrating Christmas.
Do you decorate your home?
Yes, we put up lights and a tree.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!